Mic check, mic. Trophy.
Cool. So definitely we want to see what happens in the under 20. Will the heat be as hot or even kindly if you can get me?
Rwanda really is just moments away here. Have lost their juniors have rather lost a final here, and now the seniors have come onto this stage, the same stage, the same color of the jerseys that their juniors were wearing, and maybe the same spirit or higher, and maybe they will be now seeking to get this one home. You know, it's the only team that have gotten two teams in the finals, and they have already lost one final, and the other team is here, and will be looking to get also to get at least something of this, at least get 50% of what they have brought to the finals.
Definitely. So Nelly, what are we expecting from this, just briefly before it kicks off?
We're expecting a constant fight because you see these are there is reigning champions, and they would love very much to defend their title up to this particular moment. And also the Rwandans, the spirit that they've been showing since they started, it's a high one. So we just want to see. And the first Rwanda scores again.
And then we see Okello Umar passing it to Bongomin Daniel. Bongomin Daniel slowly and patiently to Lukenge. Lukenge back to Lukwango back to Tibamwena, then back to Lukwango. They try to make a score. Lukwango fails on that. That's Tibamwenda.
Yeah, so, now Rwanda really have to make this one going. They have already gotten a score, and here they come really trying to find something positive, and that is Regina Emmanuel just trying to force his way through the defense, but unfortunately for him it's not possible, but they'll have to redo that again, and here comes Emmanuel again, just passing the ball to the wing, and the goalkeeper, that is Toko Ivan, with a nice save, and Uganda just keeping themselves in this.
Definitely kumepamba moto, if we can say it in Swahili, or for our Tanzanian and Kenyan viewers, because look at TV and Mudingi TV are just bringing you all this much live for the finals, and it's bigger and better than ever before. Let's see as the action continues. Rwanda still
Rwanda here again, just trying to get this one going. They have not really found the way out here, and you can see as M just trying a way through, but he lost that, and here comes Uganda, and almost gets a goal, but the goalkeeper was
Nelly, can you take us through this, whatever is unfolding right about now?
At the moment, the Rwandans have lost to have got Uganda, and this is the second time they're actually making a score, and their defense was not that strong, because for
so definitely we see that is Okello with the ball, then hands it back to Bongomin. Bongomin tries, Bongomin passes it to, we have seen Tibamwenda with this kind of play.
Yeah, but Prince in goal is looking very solid for Rwanda rather. It might be the reason they're still up. That is Prince in goal for Rwanda, the number 18 goalkeeper. And Rwanda really have to fight this one out. They really have to get a goal here, yeah.
So back to Tibamwenda. Lukwango tries. Lukwango again. Tibamwenda. I'd really like Nelly to explain to us what is happening as of now. Nelly, take us through the event.
What is happening is that Rwanda player has been warned against the way he's attacking. That means he gets hence the yellow card. At the moment, now the Ugandans have lost the ball to the Rwandans, and they are organizing themselves on how to attack the Ugandans. Let's see how the attack is going to go. Either are they going to give us scores, or they are going to lose the ball just like the Ugandans did. Unfortunately, the Ugandan ball is weak, and hence the score. Yeah.
So let's see what Uganda are going to bring that there.
I really hope, but we have a Prince there, Shema Prince, and he has been solid all the way for Rwanda, and Uganda have not yet found a way to beat Shema Prince. Right now, I think he is the king of his zone there.
You're talking about which
the goalkeeper, Shema Prince.
Shem.
Yeah, he's acting as if he's the king
Shema
of his
Prince.
zone.
The king has been dethroned.
The king dethroned for a moment
Shema.
there, but he's having a good game. And Rwanda again here come to attack, and
is that
it's a penalty because of the type of defense that number 3 just given, and
Jean will take his penalty.
Given suspension 2 minutes. Has he been given? No, unfortunately. Yeah.
So now we are back in action. Uganda, of course, Tibamwenda just communicating with Lukenge to see what comes out of it. Back to Lukwago with the ball. Lukwago, very tight defense. Then,
it's a score. Meanwhile, we can see number 9 being prevented from going past the 9 meters. Yeah.
And
in attempt for the good defense that is on the Rwandan side. Yeah.
So Joel, the ball is
Uganda.
is in Uganda's court.
Yeah, just trying that. They have scored twice against Shema. They have really found a way, and here they come again, and are trying to find this. Will they do it? And the wing player, that is Lukenge again, and just making this look easy at the right wing there, and he's really enjoying that. And Shema, I don't know if his game has gone a little bit down, or is it the Ugandans that have gotten a little bit stronger? But we can see now this is a proper game. This is game on, and we are ready now to rumble.
Lukwago in coordination with Tibamwenda, who hands it back to Tibamwenda. Tibamwenda back to Lukwago. Lukwago! That's Lukwago with the score.
The type of attack that defense that the Rwandans were having, it created room for the Ugandans to penetrate and hence make a score. Yeah, actually, the scorer actually scored it from the left wing. Yeah.
And Rwanda find a way through Kibwana. And Uganda will be seeking to really get that, and they lost it. And here comes Kibwana again. Kibwana and Ivan approves to be
he has actually hit the goalkeeper with the ball.
Yeah, I can see what he was trying to do by bouncing it on the floor, but the goalkeeper had stood his ground.
Or maybe he was targeting the he
between
was
the
expecting
legs,
the goalkeeper would jump. Yeah.
So still on that, and they communicate with Kubimwana does it. Kubimwana does it into the net. So they bring it back quickly to Lukenge. Lukenge communicates with Tibamwenda. Tibamwenda, oh my goodness.
And it's a penalty.
Okello on the floor.
With 2 minutes. Against Rwandan player number 15, who is also called Jean. Jean has been suspended from the game for defending in a bad way. Yeah.
So you have to be very careful,
for giving a bad defense. Yeah. And the penalty is being taken by number 13 Ugandan, which is the score. And number 13 is called Dennis. Yeah, so.
Dennis takes it to the net, definitely. So now it's upon Rwanda to revenge on that. See a communication between Ndayisaba. Ndayisaba hands it all the way to Kibamwana. Then it's snatched by Lukenge, but ball rolls off.
That was a blind pass from the Rwandan side. That is why the Ugandan was able to block the ball.
Okay.
And Rwanda is just trying to find a way here. And at the moment that is proven to be futile. And Emmanuel here.
That was a surprise shot.
Yeah.
The goalkeeper didn't see it coming, neither did the defense. That is why it's important to make blocks. You know, had they defended in with their hands up, you see, it's easy to block what is above. What
see what happens there. Whoa! Shema is really blocking. Can he do it again?
Emmanuel
can he dance? Because Lukenge is definitely not giving. That's Lukwago. Lukwago.
There's no way for him there.
Lukenge Emmanuel try to have then that's Tibamwenda. Tibamwenda hands the ball all the way to Lukwago. Lukwago has it to Tibamwenda. Tibamwenda!
Oh, and Prince is back in this. For a moment there, I thought his game had gone down, but here we see Prince for Rwanda. That is Shema Prince, just number 18 here, just showing us why he's in this squad. And
it's also the same story for Toko Ivan.
Yeah, even Ivan here has made some impressive saves here. Yeah.
You know, by allowing Daniel to be defended, he has actually created room for his people to, you know, fall back and reorganize themselves. Yeah, but unfortunately his shot did not get to make it as a score.
Okay.
Here comes Rwanda and
block.
That is
a good defense. You can see the blocks. See, that is the kind of defense that if only they can implement that kind of defense, then I don't think any ball that is thrown overhead can reach the goalkeeper.
Oh, wow.
And the referee has asked for a switch of balls after that one went out, and
I think it has a puncher.
Either a puncher got to something right there. I don't know what happened, but we have a new ball in the field here, and
I hope it brings them good luck.
What luck does it bring? Let's wait.
I hope it brings them. So Jean with the ball hands it to Iragena.
Thierry Hazim there with a beautiful goal, and Uganda now trying to get that goal back. They do not want the margin to go very much high, and just working the ball around, trying to get those places. Will they find that space? And they do.
Marisa!
And will he score? Tries to look for Lukenge, but he does not.
Marisa was trying to communicate to Lukenge, but it failed on that, right?
What do you think if he had just returned the ball back in a flowing way?
I think that's what he was trying to do with Lukenge, but Lukenge could not get hold of the ball. Lukenge was also in space.
No, instead of crossing over, you know, there were others
to bring it back to the center.
Yes, exactly.
That would have worked.
Bring it back to the center.
Ladies and gentlemen, remember this is on Look Up TV and Muthingi, where all the action is happening as of now. We definitely see Kubimwana with that. No, Tibamwenda. Is that Tibamwenda on the ground? Yes, it is. Tibamwenda, and I hope I pronounce his name right, is Nshimuyukusa.
The Rwandans have decided that it's a 5-1 defense against the Ugandans.
5-1. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
5-1 defense.
Let's see if it works for them.
Let's see if it works for them.
So Tibamwenda on that.
They just countered that, and here comes Rwanda.
Handed to Rwanda, and now it's Kubimwana. Kubimwana straight to Iragena.
comes Uganda trying to look that.
Daniel has the ball and he passes the ball to number 8, who is Sharif. Sharif. They want to see, and the ball, it's a score. The ball, it was a strong shot. The reason as to why I'm saying it was a strong shot, it hit the goalkeeper's. The goalkeeper had it, and then unfortunately it slipped and into the post. And also we could say that the goalkeeper was inside the post. You see, had he been a little bit outside, it's easy to kick to block the ball and it comes outside instead of going inside the post.
Okay, so back to the dangerous zone of Rwanda. Kubimwana. So the ball is with Anguza. Anguza hands it to Bongomin. Bongomin tries a shot.
That was a nice block by the goalkeeper. Nice defense.
Again,
the Ugandans have the ball. They're trying to attack.
They can still make something out of it.
Yeah. Let's hope that they're going to make something out of it.
Lukwago tries, but the defense. Bongomin rather, but the defense
the ball and the Rwandans take them.
Yeah. And they try to make it. Let's see if that happens. Oh my goodness. Jin. He does it. So it's on Rwanda now, Uganda, to respond to that. With Lukwago to Okello. Okello, Lukwago again. Lukwago, Okello. 2 minutes.
Penalty in a 2-minute center for Burundi's number 5. And
Rwanda's number 5, the name that
I told you I'm really worried about pronouncing that particular name.
Mukiza. Uganda's number 13 steps up. That is Kweru Dennis. And off the post it goes and out and far away. Rwanda still managed to keep this gap going. And here comes Rwanda again, trying to work these things out faster. And this blocked out. And we might have a sending off here. Yes, we do have a sending off.
So
Daniel has been sent off, the number 9 for Uganda. And Rwanda just seeming to control this. Here comes Rwanda again. Oh, almost, but because it's a charge, really went in head first to the defense. And
okay, now they're playing how many? 4, 5?
5 on 5.
It's 5. Actually, not 5. It's a 2.
We're talking about the players.
Oh, the number of players.
Yeah.
I think this 2 minutes is going to cost them a lot if they don't take care.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, and again with that.
Manuel with a beautiful shot, and nobody expected it. And the goalkeeper will just pave way for Ayo Patrick for Uganda. As they try to attack here, will they find a way? And they do find a way in a similar manner that Rwanda have scored. They score in the similar fashion, but
do you know that Emmanuel, also Rwanda number 2, has is of now the top scorer.
Emmanuel,
yeah.
That's a dangerous player to watch out. And of course, on this match is also very impactful. You can be able to see that Iragena is a dangerous person. They definitely should watch out for that. This Ugandan side, as they communicate to Bamwenda to Okello. Oh no.
Well, he thought he had won a penalty, but the referee had other ideas, just a fall.
Denied that.
Yeah, and they try and work this out again. And there you see Okello just passing it around and forcing his way through, but that will not disturb Prince for now, the goalkeeper.
Did you know that the 2 minutes? I don't think the Ugandans used the 2 minutes given to one of the Rwandan player. I don't think they utilized that opportunity. Yeah, because so far in fact the Rwandans made score. Yeah. They played less and they still managed to score.
So back to Jean communicates with Iragena. Iragena tries to make a shot, but it's unfortunate. And even Toko Ivan can tell that one, it's nothing to worry about for me. So we have the Tiba Mwenda all the way to Lukwago to Okelo, Lukwago. Tiba Mwenda does it. Tiba Mwenda does it. Is that Iragena
just wide? He really tried to get that one. He really tried to spin it in, but fortunately for him it went wide, and Uganda will try and build on that momentum. They feel that they have a momentum.
They better take advantage. So this communication of Lukwago and Tiba Mwenda.
Oh, that one should have counted, but it did not. And
so back to Okelo to Lukwago
has been defended.
Yeah.
Temperatures rising here. Defense is very strict. Thierry and
from Rwanda, who is also called Ivan, and number 3 from Rwanda, Thierry. They tried their best to defend and they managed, but unfortunately they lost the ball in the process to the Ugandans, and Ugandans are taking the are on their way to attack the Rwandan wall. Let's see if it's going to be end.
Oh my goodness, Tiba Mwenda again. Tiba Mwenda again. They have a nice communication between Tiba Mwenda, Okelo and Lukwago. So the scores now lie at 12-10. How about that 2-point gap?
I think they lay at 12-10. Initially, the Rwandans, they were at, they gave a difference of 4. Oh, yeah, a difference of 4.
So it's a game for Uganda?
Yeah, again, Ugandans were 6 at that particular time, while the Rwandans were 10. Now, the Ugandans have taken to them to see that they have reduced the goal difference, the gap, and you can see at the moment it is now 12-10, meaning Rwandans leading with 12 and Ugandans following closely with 10.
Rwanda just returning from this they make it count, this momentum be cut short, and you can feel the Ugandans have the belief that they're backing this, and just Rwanda trying to spoil the party here.
So they hand it to Hakizamana. Oh no, Rwanda. So it's back. A communication of Lukwago and Tiba Mwenda. Lukwago and Tiba Mwenda, then they include Lukenge on that. So we see number 11, Edgar.
Uganda really trying to find a way here.
They need to make their way through that. To just shorten the gap, and it will be a motivating factor for them, don't you think so? Very tactical, beautiful and sensational. Hakizamana with Iragena. Now Okelo to Tiba Mwenda on that one. Lukwago.
Now, yeah,
Okelo. Oh my goodness!
Actually disrupted the defense and created space for Assis, and they are what? Number 7, right?
Rwanda just losing out on that front, and Uganda will try and take it quickly. Remember, we are at the Africa Zone 5 IHF finals between Uganda and Rwanda, and Uganda coming strongly here. Will get something out of that. He was open, and the pass came intelligently and found him. Really, just put on a platter for him, Okello. And here comes Rwanda again, trying to reply with the. Trying to take it fast, and they find a winger open, and very beautifully done for Rwanda. Etienne Ndisi. Daisaba Etienne.
So again, Tipamwenda, and they mark him, they know this player. Genge. Oh, Edgar hands it to Lukwango.
Vincent to make a score, but then he lost the opportunity. Yeah, by throwing the ball outside. I mean, he had a clear chance, very clear. All the space he needed.
And there goes Rwanda, and the goalkeeper has just collided with the goalkeeper colliding with Jean here, and the referee beckons the paramedics.
So it's Jean versus Choco Ivan.
Ayo Patrick and Jean just colliding here, following that missed ball, and you can see.
To go and check if he's okay, if he's alright. The paramedics support him to ensure that he is fine and he can be able to continue with the game.
Yeah, you can see Ayo has also made his way out of the field, and you can see him lying on the floor, just trying to get medical attention. He's out.
So I've made an observation. Have you realized that the Ugandans know how to create space among the Rwandans?
Yeah, they really do that. And the goalkeeper for Uganda, that is
Choco Ivan.
Ayo Patrick. Ayo Patrick out there. He's
the goalkeeper?
Just trying to be assessed. And Uganda meanwhile just try to get their way through here.
Efforts are futile, but they can still do it if they want it.
Pushing and shoving right here, just trying to defend, and another one trying to attack.
So it's
very defending. It's getting tough here.
It's a tough defense.
Yeah, it's getting really heated up.
Rwandans have realized that the Ugandans know how to create space, and now they are trying as much as they can to block
those spaces.
Yeah, every space.
So still, they haven't been able to collect a score from that. So Kelo on the ground.
They have decided to give them back time.
They really have won a penalty. Their persistence has paid off. And
unfortunately
for the
yeah, fortunately for the Ugandans.
Who is going to take
going
it?
to be fortunate.
And Prince comes
they
in.
choose
Yes, we have Prince coming in
against
Dennis.
Definitely answers in the way he should.
Dennis, another penalty, and I've also realized that a lot of the Ugandan penalties.
Oh, yes. Dennis. Well, so back to Uganda. Uganda's going to put him on a work on that, but we see number 5 on the floor. Uganda on it again. That's Edgar. Edgar had to. Oh, he failed to.
Rwanda just trying to pass it around, and they do find him open. They do find the Siabe open, and that system is really working for them when they pass the ball around.
Iragena needs to find his attack back. Have you noticed he's been silent for a while now?
Yeah, he's been silent, but when he has the ball, he knows how to deal with it, and Uganda just get a foul. 9-meter throw here. Uganda, Rwanda trying to defend a high line here, but they succeeded.
Oh, Iragena goes for the net. Yes, he does it.
It's a score forcing the Ugandans to go for attack. Yeah, and they have a chance to redeem themselves. Let's see if they take this opportunity to redeem themselves and compensate for the lost score.
Tight defense right there, but Lukenge. They definitely don't want anybody to pass through that those gaps.
Yeah,
they feel them.
Just not ready for that ball. And Rwanda just
Thierry back. The communication between Thierry and player number 10.
Here comes Rwanda.
Again, but
that one will not go in. They
Thierry again, but
it will not go in.
Goodness.
Yeah.
And they definitely feel it.
It's definitely getting heated up. But 2 chances lost.
So they make a change.
Two chances
They make a
lost.
change and out.
That score because
Here comes Lukunga, and he also loses a chance.
He was just rushing.
He was in acres of space, I would say, so he had that time to choose what he will do with that ball. But he just chose the wrong decision, and he lost that. This game is still on.
So it's still on. Rwanda. Iragena tries it, blocked. Toko Ivan's
Ugandans going to attack at the moment.
It's Lukaku and Bongomin. Lukwago on the floor. Lukwago is on the floor, so they'll definitely try to take advantage of that.
To the Ugandans, and now the Ugandans are going back to the Ugandans are going to attack, and let's see if they make it, and they make it. Number 4, yes, what he does best by making it, converting the shot into a score. The Rwandans are now going to attack after being scored, and at the moment they try organizing themselves on how to attack.
They try to make a score. Will they? So Nelly and Joe, the ball is on your court. I'll be heading to the other side of the studio to get more insights and news as it unfolds.
We'll be right here waiting for that and try to get what the fans are saying on the other side, as this game is still getting heated up, and here comes Rwanda passing between 2 defenders and really scoring that, driving that one in, and Uganda tried to answer in pacey, but it's off the post, and the referees just awards Uganda for their efforts here with that fall, and they try to take it, and off the post again, and Ivan, the goalkeeper, the ball hit the post and came back to him, and that shows how powerful that shot was.
It seems that it also seems that Daniel, who is also number 9 from the Ugandan side, seems taller than the post, or I don't understand why he can't just convert it into a score at this moment. Instead, he just throws the ball and hits the post.
And to half time, but before then we have a free throw here. Following that mistake before the time ended, and will he make brilliant from Daniel with all 6 defenders in line.
Did you
the
know that
goalkeeper, and he still managed to get that one in the net.
with
What do you
everybody,
think?
with their
Hands up. You said he's tall. You
I
did
said
say he's tall.
I said he was tall. I really did say he was tall.
And the goalkeeper really very much disappointed to have conceded such a goal.
Exactly.
With all defenders hands up, you had their hands up, but still you cannot keep that one out. How does he feel right now?
No, it is so embarrassing. By the way, let me tell you something. I am in all the free throws that I have been watching. There is none that has ever made it, but this one, this free throw that Daniel actually has made a difference. It's possible to make a score out of a free throw.
And we head into halftime with Rwanda just leading by a goal by 1 goal, and we saw in the previous game that was played just here, Rwanda and Burundi, we saw what that happened when you have 1 goal difference. We saw the game going all the way till the last whistle for us to find a winner. And will this game go up to such measures? What do you think, Nelly?
I think with that kind of goal difference, it is impossible to know which team is going to win. You know, the kind of the people who are. It's going to depend on the motivation that each and every player, individual player, is going to come out with from this halftime. Like and the kind of discussion and corrections that they are going to be making during this short break.
Yeah, maybe Marion is back. What have you found out from the other side before we went for halftime? You went to find new sources from the other side. What did you find out?
Just some interaction here and there, and of course, this game, just like the others, the difference is still low. You know, these are the finals, so we expect to see more of this. In that no team wants to lose any points, so it's not amusing that this is the pace of the game. It's not amusing that this is how the game is unfolding. But currently leading is
Rwanda leading by a score that is 19-18, 17-16.
So I want to ask you, which are some of the areas that you talked about the 5-1?
Yes.
Is it working for them?
Because of the goal difference, I think it's partly working for them. So I think that maybe they started well with the 5-1, which was somehow working for them. But then, you know, after the attackers are also reading them. The Ugandans were reading the Rwandans, by the way. So if they noticed that the 5-1 defense is what they are good at now, they started distracting them and disrupting the defense and making very good shots and converting all the shots, almost all the shots to scores.
And for you, Joe, we looked at the Ugandans trying to make their way out of the defense of Rwanda. No matter how hard Rwanda tried to line themselves up, there was a way that Mukwago, but not one, Mukwago and these are the just managed to chip in. Is there any problem with the defense, or it's just a stylish way to...
No, I don't think there's a problem. Remember, in defense, you have every man has there's that person you are trying to defend, and when you have that, you think that you have the game under control. But for Uganda, what they are doing, their passes are just quick enough in order to deorganize the Rwandan defense. You find that these passes are coming just in too quick, too hot, and by that you have this space is opening in very fast, because the Rwandan they try to defend, but it's not really working because the quicker you come to defend me, the quicker I release the ball, and thus my partner will have an open space to make that, to have an open space to make that into goal. And we have seen Uganda getting open spaces there, but unfortunately for them, they have wasted quite a few also. Nelly.
Similar observation on their defense. Rwanda's defense, I think they are easily disrupted. Yeah, as much as they are fighting, they are easily disrupted. We saw, do you remember that time when I was telling you what kind of, they know how to create space? Yes, the Ugandans know how to create space.
Yeah, they really do.
In consecutive occasions, if they go there, just push the Rwandans towards the side, remain, get themselves enough space with no one, and none of the Rwandans were seeing this. Yeah, so they had all space and opportunity, and that is why they really brought up their scores.
And there have been some few mistakes that we've noticed leading to, we've seen a penalty.
Yeah, we've seen one.
We've seen one penalty and some send-off, some 2-minute send-off. But talk about how important it is to just ensure that this 2 minutes vibe is not coming in the team, because it's costing your team. The opponents are actually taking advantage of those 2 minutes out to count on you.
Yeah, sometimes when defending, I think that if I defend strongly, then I'm helping my team not concede this goal. But the moment you take that defending to another different level, you are sent off, then not only will you have given your team a disadvantage in that you have considered a penalty, but also for the next 2 minutes will be less, so you will be disadvantaged. So as much as you're trying to be very technical in the way you're defending, also consider your team in the next 2 minutes. How will they cope if you are sent off? So as much as you're trying to defend one goal, but be considerate, be firm in your decision to defend that. You should be very firm. Do not go in if you have 50-50 chances, and make those blocks if you need to, rather than wait for the defender the attacker to come closer to you. Attack him while defending. They say attack is the best form of defense. Get him out there while he's not near, so that you may get him flat foot before he makes those quick footworks and concede on your side.
Another mistake that people do make, players, the backup players, another mistake that they do make, even at the defense, is this defending an individual. You're not interested in an individual, you're interested in the ball. So why not just defend the ball or the hand that is releasing the ball?
So you're saying that they are marking this particular player because this fellow, or they go for a particular player who has the ball and tries to block this player, not considering that I need this ball.
No, okay, that one is a good kind of defense. They have decided to remove one, but now when the rest are, when they are doing maybe a 6-0 defense, you know, instead of focusing on this individual, because trust me, they know how to make way. You just saw what Ugandans did over there. They know how to make way. Now it's because most of the defenders, they were concentrating on this person who is coming. Forgetting that the ball is also moving at the same time. Now, if only they focus on the ball and the hand that releases the ball, rather than focus on the individual person, because there is also fake moves. You know, someone can pretend like he is going to the right and then come to the left. That means already you have gone to the left. That is what they were doing to the Rwandans. They're being taken to the left and then he comes back to the right and then clear shot. Yes.
Before I forget, Joel, you talked about pistol, and I'm still on that because it has been bothering me. What is this pistol? What are you saying?
Well, pistol is the basic form of attack in handball. And if you know you are aware of cars, when piston is what drives the car, the engine, where the one piston goes in, the other comes out. So rather in handball, it's about passing the ball from one person to the other while still attacking. In the sense that if I have the ball, then I will try and tackle my defenders. That way I'm going in. So that is the sense that one piston is going in. And when my defenders try and get hold of me or defend me, my partner, the person who's playing next to me, will be out. So you get the essence of going in and coming out, and then you pass the ball to him, and then he will repeat the same thing. He will go in, and his next partner will be out. Ready to receive the ball.
It's like faking. Making them think that you're going with the ball to shoot, and then releasing the ball to
the next person.
To the next person. But now, in the process, creating space, because once you decide to go, they come to you. You attract them to yourself, and then in the process of attracting them to yourself, you release the ball, and then the
next person might find the space.
Gets the ball and gets a clear shot.
And we can see
that's what Uganda are doing, by the way, but theirs is very pacey for you to realize, but they are doing it very quickly, and we have seen them working it out, and it has worked wonders for them. Whether they'll continue with that in the second half, then we will wait and see.
And Nelly, when we looked at Rwanda, there was a particular player that you mentioned, that is Iragena, who you said is the top scorer. How important is he in this particular game?
I looked at him, and he's called Emmanuel, right? I looked at him, his height. He knows how to penetrate. He knows how to. He has the power of the arm. And he's just on point, with his shots.
So what do you? I'll take your take and her take and your take. What are you making of this game as it resumes from the half break? Are we in for some surprise?
Yes, sure. We are in for some surprise, or we are into the same trend, like just like the previous game. We are in for surprise, or we are in for the same trend. It's I give, I take, give and take, give and take, give and take.
In the previous game, it was a similar scenario where it was a 1-point gap, 3-point gap, 1-point gap, and we were even worried of it coming into level terms. Is this going to head the same way, or
well, to say the truth, both these two teams play various matches, and I tell you this. None of these teams have actually reached their climax. None of this team has brought their game into this match. So I'm still expecting their games to go, the level of how they play to go higher, because
unless there is tension.
That might be it, but as it remains, none of these teams have really brought the game that they had in other matches. So we really still expect this one to go higher.
They don't have the same energy that they've been having all this while.
And again, I'm still looking for somebody to take charge of this game, because one goal difference shows you that nobody is really in charge. We still need somebody to get in charge of this game. Here comes Uganda trying to attack it, and they get their first goal.
So quickly, no sooner had we just come from the half break than they just put one right into the net. So let's see if Rwanda responds. Rwanda, the defenders are definitely not liking.
Daniel should be careful. He has a history of getting 2 minutes. So I think even in his defense, he should really be careful. And the Rwandans make a score, forcing the Ugandans to go and attack at that.
So Uganda tries.
We see that we have a penalty.
And they love it. They're celebrating the penalty because they know.
Mugambi Samuel has been sent off for Rwanda.
Okello always tackled wrongly. It's not the first time we're seeing Okello down several.
And here we see Dennis just coming in to take his this penalty.
Yeah, he's the penalty taker. Yeah.
And with him count, yes, he does. And Prince could not deal with that.
So they bring Anguza back after that penalty by Okwera. That's a way to respond. That's a beautiful way to respond to that penalty. These are just the scenes that are happening and look up TV and Mutingi.
Remember, this is the Africa Zone 5 IHF trophy with me, Joel Werimo, and
Marion Kageni and Super Nelly here.
yeah, and we are bringing the action live from Ulinzi Sports Complex, whereby we have the final, Uganda versus Rwanda, going head to head. And none of this team is ready to play yet. Both still are fighting for it, and Rwanda trying to get away through, but there's no way as of yet, and they'll have to mark that.
Look, they try to see that the defense is firm. But still on their side, so they will try to make a score out of this. Kubimana to the number 3. Oh, Ndaisaba on the next one. Has to respond quickly.
And here comes Uganda, acres of space here, and he does not take charge.
I think Vincent was hoping that the goalkeeper would jump like he's used to, but unfortunately the goalkeeper had learned the hard way.
So he tried to read the player.
We're gonna have some options here, and there you have it. The coach for
Ugandan side has been won. And when he gets the next warning card, which is yellow, then He's given 2 minutes, and that means one player has to come out. Yeah, that is how handball also works.
And there we have it. Is still not quite satisfied with that decision. You can see him trying to appeal it.
Irageba is caught, but he tries to make a shot. But the defense is tight. Iragena. Kubimana on the ground, so Kubimana on the ground means a penalty for Rwanda.
The Rwandans get themselves a penalty, and let's hope that they convert this penalty opportunity into a score.
Oh my goodness! How Toko Ivan manages to... It was a poor shot.
They have wasted the opportunity.
Very poor.
Yeah, they have wasted the opportunity.
Back they...
Also, we can say that the goalkeeper, number 19, is a very good goalkeeper.
Toko Ivan, remarkable save.
Yeah.
So they bring it back and try to just wipe the tears from that penalty mistake with Iragena sending it to...
And that is for the second time Toko is blocking someone
quite
head on.
A sensation to watch.
About a man on a mission here. That would be Toko Ivan. Can he make it 3 out of 3? Toko Ivan challenged again, and this time he nearly got there.
This guy is dangerous.
But I also think that he came too much out of the goal. Yeah. Now he created a very huge space. Yeah.
Trying to make one. Oh my goodness, it's too far. Come on.
Uganda get the corner here.
He passes it
back to their own half.
Bongomin communicate. Bongomin responds as he should for his side.
Daniel has started upping his game and converting his shots to scores.
He's bringing back that first half vibe. And it's going to be very helpful. Dramatic, but in the net, Mugabe.
Samuel has really made a very nice fake. Yeah, and it has yielded a score for the Rwandans.
So now Uganda, Okello hands it to Timamwenda on the ground. But they couldn't bring anything out of it. He tries to communicate with Bayisaba, but of course Bongomin is...
I also think there is this rush, there is this tension that brings about rush decisions.
I think it's the pressure of equalizing. The goal difference is still one. And here comes Uganda. And that was what the rush was all about.
Yeah, you talked about the rushing that players are just quick to draw the ball.
Yes, like no, it's a fast break. If you have looked around and everyone is manned, why can't you just take it slowly fast?
Compose yourself.
Compose yourself and help the team compose themselves. By dribbling, they will come out and come to you.
Right, here comes Rwanda, just trying to take that goal lead back. But
Mana to Iragena gives it to Iragena. This time not so lucky for the top scorer of Rwanda. That is Iragena Emmanuel. Not so lucky. So back to Uganda. Uganda tries to...
Rwanda
have decided not to let the Rwandans get a score easy, though unfortunate for them, the Rwandans make it a score. There's been lots of blind passes here.
It had to be Lukenge Emmanuel for that score to just better the tally for Uganda.
You just have to talk about Emmanuel. He has scored multiple goals
from
back
that
to
angle.
back, and Rwanda are yet to identify that. And can they really provide an answer to that question that you end up just asked, and get a way back here? And they get a penalty.
Oh, it's a penalty. It's well deserved.
Yeah, and a sending of Daniel.
Just like I said before,
Oh, yes.
Daniel should take care of
Yeah,
himself
you said
because
about him
should be
being
careful.
worried.
Yeah, because he has a history of getting 2 minutes. Yeah.
Daniel
Now
is
costing the
out.
team, actually.
It's costing the team. He's a good defender. I don't know why he has to get himself into very silly mistakes.
Troublesome situation.
Yeah.
Lukwago and Okello Lukwago again. Oh my goodness. He was trying to communicate with Tibamwenda, but unfortunately, he just didn't see. So Rwanda on that one. So Kubimwana, and then right now we have Mugabo. Kubimwana, it's two.
He just double dribble there. You can see the referee just instructing that. Just double dribble. You bounce the ball, you have 3 more steps, and then pass the ball or shoot, not bounce the ball again. And that's what he did right there. And Uganda here really trying Emmanuel. And Giannis is out.
Okello tries to look at that. Will they make it? Yes, it is Lukenge Emmanuel.
And Rwanda
now
takes
out.
it quick and back
to back.
And Uganda just forgot about that and started celebrating. But for Rwanda, they were not having that.
Yeah,
and
they were really
they
keen.
went and got that goal back immediately. And can Uganda find a way with 5 men against the 6 that Rwanda have lined up here?
So Okello
Just trying to work this piston out, but Prince shines on the way. Is it Prince?
Of course, it's Shema Prince. We talked about him being a...
No, that's not Prince.
That is Asim.
That is Asim. Yeah, Asim.
Asim.
They look alike. I think. The height.
They are all good goalkeepers. Yeah.
Shema Prince is on the substitute. He's been sent off.
So at the moment, the Ugandans are attacking on the Rwandan defense, and it's a score. Number 8 from Uganda.
Very good assist
Ivan has made from Uganda. Sharif has made a score.
That's another penalty for Rwanda. And
I just think it was a quest to answer back, like you said, is you score and I want to quickly just turn back things, and unfortunately it lands them in trouble.
The Rwandans definitely don't waste the penalty. And they get a score from
and
it.
Jean never disappoints on those penalty taking opportunities. Rwanda slowly but surely. Jean.
And it's a surprise shot
Goodness.
from number 4 from Rwanda, who's
we did
called
not see that Kubimana Jean.
Kubimana.
Yeah. Kubimana Jean.
But then with the rush game now, they're making lots of mistakes and
when the
because
game
of the
is
rush.
busy, they
yeah.
obviously, and we have that ball again.
So they choose, of course, it's Okwere. Okwere has been taking a lot of penalties.
Dennis, and he's converting all of them into scores.
He did.
So far, he just did lose one penalty.
Just one penalty.
Yeah.
And he knows he has perfected in that area. So there is so much tension, and that's why there's so many mistakes. Rwanda just oh my goodness!
And here we have a sending off.
And
is it a send? Somebody's on the floor here.
So Kubrimana is on the floor. The goal scorer.
Red card.
Red, oh my goodness, the first red card of the game.
A straight red card, you have to put that one
Straight
now.
red card.
Yeah. A straight red card for Uganda. And they will be frustrated by that. Nelly, what does that mean for Uganda?
To earn a red card. How do you?
Red card means you're not going to be able to play in this game, and that means that you're playing rough. You're not playing handball.
So when you play rough,
and you hurt someone,
and you hurt someone,
and you hurt someone badly,
that's how you get a straight red card.
You know, you can spot difference from the 2 minutes given to Daniel. He's still able to come back, because I think it's
foul, normal.
But now this one, they take it as intentional, and you know the problem. Another disadvantage is that the guy is bleeding. That means he's badly injured.
So it's definitely. So Bumana has to suffer.
Vincent has been sent off, and
this is a player who has been.
Have a 2 minutes.
No. This is a player who has been very crucial for the team. So it's very unfortunate for Rwanda that he had to make that mistake.
I'm eager to see how
Uganda.
For the next 2 minutes, but after 2 minutes, somebody will definitely replace Vincent.
If you watch closely, what number 15 is doing is creating space. But unfortunately, the Ugandans are wakomacho. Wakomacho.
Wakogangari. So back to Uganda.
King Emmanuel makes his way in, and 5 versus 6. Uganda trying to slay the giants here. Remember, Rwanda is the defending champion, and they have really worked their way up to get back here. Uganda just trying to spoil the party for them. Here comes Manuel Rukenge, and Rukenge again here, just passing it and about to become passive for Uganda. Will they become passive, or are they gonna take a shot? And
you see, this is advantage. Or 2 minutes.
No, the pitch can be filled.
Because now they are less and they lack someone. If all the attackers, the defenders come all out, then there is no one to give the ball. Now you keep flowing the ball without flowing, I don't know. And then it becomes passive, and now you're forced to give it up.
So Uganda, after Rwanda has scored, now Rwanda's what happened? Oh my goodness, they make a change actually. They rest him.
Almost immediately Rwanda here through the efforts of Nigeria Emmanuel, cancelling out Kenga Emmanuel's goal there.
Emmanuel to Emmanuel, eh? Notice that?
This game is very much tied.
So back to the team.
They find a when the referee says no, and Rwanda they counter attack right away, and they really succeed in that.
Oh my goodness! Naisaba manages to put it into the net, and so I notice how quickly Rwanda wants to respond to a goal. They're just like, you punish us, we punish you back.
You have a timeout for Uganda.
The scores being 28-30.
Yeah, Uganda trailing in this one. Rwanda just showing us why they are the defending champions, and they are really here to defend and fight for their championship.
Yeah.
Because you really don't want to get to the finals and then you lose it at the finals. Then why did you come here if you are going to go home as a first runners up rather than defend your championship?
Nelly, let's talk about the red card and the pain it has caused on the team.
Yeah, the red card is it's not a good card. Yeah, you know.
Was it deserved? Definitely.
Yeah, it was deserved because you can see it was evident that the player was hurt and he was bleeding. Yeah, so it would have been unfair if the boy was the player was left. I was allowed to keep on playing, because what if he again hurts another person? Though maybe he just took it as it was an accident. Yeah, but what if it was not an accident? Yeah, but you see, it has cost them a lot of scores.
So we resume in action. He manages to see that, and Okello sends it.
And it's a score.
Umar Issa on that one. Umar Issa on that one. So Rwanda, in the way they like to respond quickly, see if they will be able to. Because definitely they wanted to widen this gap and not give Uganda any opportunity. So Iragena! It's Iragena! The top scorer again.
Rwanda is all about keeping that scoreline as it is, 2 goals ahead, or if they can just improve it. And for Uganda, it's all about trying and chase that.
Yeah, catch up.
Do that, and here they do. But can Rwanda take it back to 2 goals? Can they? Just passing it along and trying to work their way out, and they did find a way, but unfortunately there was a break made of men there. Rwanda just persistence.
Oh, it's too wide.
Yeah, they were persistent enough, you have to give them that, and then just checking it way off.
It's way off.
Here comes Daniel and just fumbles it, and Rwanda on
They try it again. Let's see. Let's see. Ndayisaba. Ndayisaba does it. This is the guy. They respond to that wasted that chance.
Every defense that came to him, and he has made his way by faking moves. You see. Yeah.
Again, you talked about those taking moves. And
yeah, he faked it. Did you see? He took this guy to this side and went to the right.
As long as the tactic works, then
Yeah, it did work.
What has he done? What has he done? Disappointment in his space. This believe he was in space, but he still lost the ball and he lost that chance. The gap has gone even further. Will they find a way to come back from this? Will they just find a way out of this? The method they have just put themselves into it. And here comes that guy again, fumbles a bit, passes a bit. You can see that Rwanda believe they have this in their hands. But Uganda just trying to spoil the party a little bit. But the referee is not having any of that.
Definitely. And Nelly, what do you make of this?
Dangerous. The ball straight to the face. What do you think of that?
You know, it's on the side of the Rwanda. That means the defense, the type of yeah, he was defending now. That one, if he was defending, I think it's just an accident. What do you think?
Maybe he was just trying to get
Yeah.
I also feel the same way. There was no pun intended. Just
Let's see what the referee translates of that incident.
First of all, we have to wipe the floor, but I don't think there's any
So far there are no more punishments.
I don't think so.
No punishment.
No punishment.
Just attacking.
Yeah.
So clearly a lot of white being done today.
Yeah, it's also important for them to dry the waters that are in the field because you know it can be slippery.
Very.
Yeah, for the player.
Uganda and they fumble again, and Rwanda just
When it's about that, they dribbles and passes to Imran, but they lose it to Uganda. Oh! Mugabe on that
And
one.
unfortunately, he hits the ball
Yeah.
with his legs. Yeah.
lot of
This is a handball, not a football.
Gambe, someone
Okello dribbles to Lukango. Kwago. Uganda tries to That's a very crucial.
There we have it. Is it a timeout? Is it a... Oh, I know what has happened here.
Now, kindly.
We have... who was it that was injured? He has been sent off. Rwandan Regan Emmanuel. You have to wait for 3 attacks after you have been injured for you to come back. And he just came back almost immediately. And he has been sent off.
He knows.
Because it's an injury, so you have to somehow assess your situation for about 3 attacks and then come back and we'll see how it goes. But I came back after 1 attack and now he has been sent off.
He knows the impact. Back and it's back to the start.
Yeah, you really have to take chances with this 5 against 6 Uganda. They have to catch this game. I mean, they have to do it. But right now,
Kukwimana tries.
Austin, they have to catch this game now. Uganda. They really have to catch it. It's now or never.
Definitely now and never. And it's a determining factor to crown the kings of this particular. Kukwimana.
You don't want to consider when you are 6 against 5 because that just shows you how poor your defense is. Because there are 6 of them in defense and the attackers are 5 and yet you concede.
Yeah, Kukwimana was able to actually make his way through that and they
Here comes
conceded.
Daniel. Can he make this one count again? He did not hold the ball too strongly and Uganda will start this one out. Daniel has got Daniel again with a jump shot blocked and
tries to bring it back.
He finds
Yes,
somebody.
he does.
And Uganda really
Edgar.
just trying to they just fumble it.
The Ugandans are still attacking on the...
Daniel tries to make a shot.
They really have got a hold of Daniel this ball and
They have known his power and what he brings to the game.
he's gone back to neutral, you know. But here comes
Oh my goodness.
And that goes Emmanuel
Great.
back.
Daniel back on that, talks to communicate with Lukwago. Lukwago.
Wow.
Okel.
An unexpected shot that no one saw that coming.
Yeah.
The famous penalty taker.
got them off guard. And Rwanda, you can see they have decided to take things slowly and calm themselves up. They really know that they have this in their hands right now. And just work out, try to find those places. And as you can see, that's what they're doing now. And then they have a chance.
So it's back to Okello. Okello communicates with them. So back to Okello again.
Send him off.
Okello is satisfied with that because he wanted that.
They're just currently from a 2-minute break.
Yeah, Uganda.
They're just currently from a 2-minute suspension. I don't know why they still want to get more. This is going to affect their scores.
Really?
Yeah.
But the question is Uganda really taking advantage of those 2-minute suspension? Have they really? I haven't seen them score that much.
Yeah.
In fact, they are conceding, and we might have another goal here. And
the Ugandans are relaxed. As much as they want to play fast, they seem relaxed. They seem like they have accepted.
Number 14.
Sending off for Rwanda.
Imran is out.
How good is Uganda right now? How good are they trying to bring that game now?
They better make something out of it.
Oh, and
they even want.
So this is 6 against 4.
Wow,
okay,
wow.
Let's see if they can maneuver themselves in between.
With more players, they should definitely try and make something out of it.
Yeah, they really should get something.
They have decided to waste time. You see, the way they're passing the ball, they're wasting time. Because you know, if they go in a hurry, then they will lose the ball and
they will concede.
Yeah.
Very nice of them, are very creative in that aspect. Just wasting time a little bit.
I think it's what you said yesterday.
And I think they have been warned not to waste time with the ball.
And all the pros now, rather, and the ball is still for Rwanda.
The reason as to why they have gained that sympathy is because the Ugandan held the ball, touched the ball before it went out. Yeah.
So back to Uganda.
Oh, Daniel,
what happened?
Are you doing?
Daniel is losing his momentum.
And here comes Uganda again, very well defended.
Imagine that, and they're still.
Kenge, oh my goodness. Let's just block that one out, but it was for a moment of joy. And Uganda really have got that one. And
it's time out for the Rwanda
have been prompted for a timeout just to get their house.
I think the Ugandans should talk to them themselves, because this is not a good game play for them. This is not their best.
Score is at 35-37, 2 points up. We are seeing Rwanda being less. They're less players, 4 players versus 6 players, and still they cost a Uganda for the Ugandan side. What does not a good look for Uganda?
For Uganda, they are taking these chances. But for Rwanda, the coach is not happy at all. They are being slamming the ground and trying to get to show how constructive they mess around. The score is only 2 goals in the difference. If they mess around with this, then they are going to bottle this one up and that will be their loss, and really they will have no one to blame but themselves.
Rwanda iragenda.
I really don't understand, Nelly. I really don't understand how you concede when you are down slowly. Oh my goodness, what are you doing? What are you doing? Lukenge! And he puts that one in the net. Nelly, as I was saying, I really don't understand how Uganda is still conceding 4 against 6 and you are still conceding. What are you doing? What is wrong with you?
Neither do I understand Uganda. They have all the opportunities. These guys Rwandans were less. Why could they just seize that opportunity? Yeah.
It's really not a good look on Uganda.
Here comes Rwanda.
Or maybe we could, they make us conclude that the Rwandans are better at defense and even at attacking. Even 4, a number of 4 can defend 6 Ugandans.
Tell you what.
What is happening? The clock is ticking and any moment from now we could
Any
get...
moment from now, Rwanda is about to become passive and Mr. Facebook says any moment right now, any moment now,
At least we managed to make it a score because now this is so embarrassing.
perhaps too late, and Mundi the first comes into play here. Any moment now, Rwanda can feel it. It is coming.
There is tension.
Uganda can feel that clearly.
Wow, tensions are building here.
Congratulations, Rwanda. And you can see they are carrying their coach. They are very proud of their coach.
They went down 4 pitches, and this is the result of their hard work, really. This is the result of their hard work, really. What do you think about this?
Very painful for Uganda, so close so far, but they just couldn't take advantage of those opportunities. They had so much opportunities to try and catch up and even go ahead of Uganda, and they wasted all the crucial chances. And it's evident that when you waste crucial moments, what is at stake is the trophy itself. The tournament slips right at your side when it's so close. And this is so painful for Uganda because they come through.
Yeah, we have the defending champions of Rwanda successfully defending that championship. And they still are waiting for them to Djibouti joining in the party here. I mean, beautiful things to see here. Rwanda fought all the way from
This actually shows that the relationship between Rwanda and Djibouti is
they have been closely allied.
very close.
very much intertwined in
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
So right about now, as we celebrate this moment, Chacha is waiting from the other side akisema kwamba anataka kutupeleka na ringe, anataka kutuonyesha vitu vinaenda vipi. Yani kaka Chacha, tuandalie haya, take it away. Chacha, kwako sasa, tuonyeshe mambo yanayoendelea hapa.
year's Rwanda aim at the top of the 2022 of the handicap. I'm looking for the coach also to interview him and see how things have been going. This is the champion. I'm speaking to the champion of the 2022. Again, my friend, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You did it in 2018, beating Uganda 17-20. This time around, it's a margin of 2 points, 39 to 37. Congratulations. What do you take of today's event?
I'm very happy for this win. Really, I'm very happy. I thank really players, coaches, and the fans. I thank our government. I thank our federation. We did all the best for winning this game because you see, we lost the first game for under 18. Now we are very happy for the win of this competition. Yes.
You have been beaten in the under 18. I saw you coaching, but the trophy went to Burundi. Now you came in under 20 against Uganda. For 2 years back to back, you've defeated Uganda. Tell us the secret.
You see, those guys are together. There are three years. They are together. They have a good game. They collaborate. Really, this team is very good for this time.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you.
Yeah. This is Rwanda once again, back to back, winning the 2022 Under 20 Championship. They are celebrating. They are joyful. They are joyous after winning in a hard game. In 2018, they beat Uganda, and also this year they have defeated it. What a game! What a beautiful tournament today. Bila shaka ni washindi wa mwaka huu. Mwaka 2018 walishinda kombe hili baada ya kuipiga Uganda kwa alama 20-17. Mwaka huu hapa nchini Kenya wameweza kutoa ubingwa. Kwa Kiingereza wanasema back to back, lakini kwa Kiswahili tunapatia kongole na heko. Hivyo basi tunaelekea katika awamu ya kusherekea na kushangilia. Kwa hakika wameweza kuishinda. Nitakuwa natafuta kocha wa Uganda na kuongea na wao kuhusiana na mashindano haya. Labda nitafute captain wa timu ya Rwanda niweze kubonga naye nisikize, je, baada ya kushinda ni gani. Naomba pia washabiki wa Djibouti hao pia ni wa Djibouti wanaonekana kusherehekea katika mashindano yao ya mwaka huu. Bila shaka ni kongole kwa kikosi cha Rwanda na vile vile vikosi vizima vya mashindano haya. Mimi bila shaka tulikuwa tunasema zaidi kuhusiana na mashindano haya, lakini pia kocha wa Uganda utakuwa anapenda zaidi. Hapa ilikuwa ni mtanange wa kukata na shoka kutoka kwangu Robert Chacha na watangazaji kina Marion Kageni na Oscar na watanganuzi wote. Bila shaka imekuwa ni fahari kuleta mashindano yao kuanzia siku ya Jumanne hadi wa leo. Asante sana kujumuika nasi. Tuko tunangoja shamra na siku za mwisho kabisa kukuletea kwenye mashindano haya. Kama unavyoona pale nyuma ni zawadi zitakuwa zinapeano kwa ajili ya mashindano haya ambayo yanaendelea hapa katika eneo hili. Hivyo basi itakuwa ni fursa pilika ya kupatiana kila mmoja ile ambaye ameanza kushinda. Rwanda wakishinda kwa mara nyingine kwenye mashindano ya mwaka huu, mashindano ambayo yalikuwa kingojwa kwa hamu na hamumu. Vikombe hivi hapa, nafasi ya 3, nafasi ya 2 na vile vile nafasi ya kwanza kwenye mashindano haya. Hivyo basi imekuwa ni uchanganuzi wa kina na vile vile burudani na vile vile wale wote ambao wameweza kwenye mashindano haya. Imekuwa ni hari na fanaga kukuletea matangazo haya kuanzia siku ya Jumanne hadi wa leo. Imekuwa ni furaha kochokocho kede kabisa. Maana yake tumemla ng'ombe pamoja na mkio wake, tumeumaliza. Imekuwa ni fahari na ngangari kabisa kukuletea kwenye mashindano haya. Mimi ni Robert Chacha. Bila shaka tuzungumza tu na baadhi ya vikombe ambazo tulikuwa tunaangazia hapa na vile vile kuzungumzia na mashabiki ambao watakuwa hapa. Kikosi cha Uganda kiko hapa na vile vile wakufunzi, lakini nitakuwa naongea na mshirika ambaye amekuwa hapa na vile vile kuhusiana na mashindano haya ambayo yamekuwa. Please, Samai, could you please talk to us for once again back to back, how been the competition for officiating, the challenges, and but first, welcome to Kenya.
Thank you very much.
How been the competition these years as an official, of course, representing IHF?
Oh, Okay, I'm really satisfied. It was very good year in Kenya. Very good experience for me also. The organizer was good. The hall is good. Really, everything is perfect.
What do you think the difference was between 2018 and 2022 competitions?
No, but I'm not here in 2018. So this is the first time for me here in Kenya.
But in general, what do you think of this year's competition? Seeing the young, for example, like Sudan, they were participating, but they brought in some youngsters and they played well. I talked to the coach saying that he brought them to gain some knowledge and experience. What do you talk about that?
No problem, because they are very young and they try to play handball, so it's good for South Sudan. But the level of this competition, really, it was very, very good.
How was it talking with the both coaches? Make sure that you are neutral. Coaches are not overwhelming you. They are not. I say somehow arguing with you. No. That's fine. How was it to deal with them?
Sorry, but about coaches, it's better to talk with colleague Zoltan.
How was it general dealing with them?
No, it's okay. We can manage. I know it's the pressure of the match, but after this, everything is okay. No problem.
Thank you and all the best for the next competition.
Thank you. You are welcome.
That's Sumaya Ahmed, the IHF representative. Bila shaka amekuwa ni mwakilishi wa mashindano haya. Sasa hapo tunabidhi washindi wa vikombe zote. Imekuwa ni makala ya mwaka huu ya mashindano, wageni waheshimiwa wakiwa hapa kuletea mashindano. Hili ni tuzo mbalimbali kutoka kwa vikombe. Bila shaka itakuwa inakabidhiwa kutoka kwa wachezaji tofauti na washindi tofauti na wawakilishi wa mashindano haya. Itakuwa ni sema ambayo tunangoja zaidi. Wale wachezaji wa Uganda bila shaka itakuwa nasema na kocha mkuu na vile kusana nini. Labda nampiga picha wangu aweze kuniruhusu atembee na mimi kwa mwendo wa kipol na hapa kusemezana na kocha mkuu wa kikosi cha Uganda. Je, kujua wamepotezea wapi kwenye michuano hii. Kocha mkuu bila shaka ameweza kushinda kusana na mashindano haya. Je, imekuwa aje mashindano yamekuwa aje? Kusana na manaka sana anawapatia pole, lakini ndivyo hivyo. Katika kila mashindano lazima kuwa na mshindi na vile vile kutokuwa na mshindi. Waswahili wanasema lazima kuwa na mshindi na vile vile mshinde. Yaani ushindi na ushinda. Ushindi na maanisha kwamba wameweza kupoteza, lakini wamejaribu. Kuwa mwaka 2018 na vile vile kuwa mwaka 2022 katika mashindano haya bila shaka imekuwa ni hari na fana. Kwa basi kutoka hapa tutakuwa tunangoja tu ni kipi kinajiri kuhusiana na mashindano haya, kukabidhiana na vikombe na vile vile tuzo. Sisi tuko hapa na vile vile burudani itakuwa na promotion hapa, wageni waheshimiwa watakuwa hapa kwamba kila kitu kishwari, kila kitu kibomba kuhusiana na mashindano haya. Bila shaka imekuwa ni hafla kemkem, shangwe na nderemo hapa, wanahakikisha kwamba kila kitu kibomba. Niko na marefari hapa, kila shaka wanasema kwamba licho wameweza kupoteza kwa mara nyingine, lakini imekuwa ni vivyo hivi, imekuwa ni fanaka zaidi. Nami imekuwa ni fanaka bila shaka kukuletea mashindano haya. Imekuwa kutoka siku ya kwanza, siku ya Jumanne, siku ya Jumatano tukashuhudia Wakenya wakitolewa, lakini leo katika umri wa miaka 14 ama chini ya miaka 14 wameweza kushinda nafasi ya 3 hadi kutawazwa kwa mshindi. Bila shaka imekuwa ni fanaka zaidi na imekuwa ni heri. Picha ambazo naziona moja kwa moja hapo ni wachezaji wale wa Rwanda wakisherehekea ushindi kwa mara ya pili. Hivyo basi kutoka hapa tulikuwa tunaongoja tu zawadi ziweze kutuzwa na vile vile ziweze mashindano yaweze kufanyika na vile vile yaweze kufika katika masuala hiyo. Nitakuwa nazungumza zaidi na vile vile ku-officiate kile ambacho kinaendelea katika eneo hili, lakini nitakuwa na kuacha na shamra na vile vile kuhusiana na maandalizi ya mwaka huu na vile vile kuhusiana na yale ambacho kinajiri katika mwaka huu. Na wana wachezaji wa Uganda bila shaka imekuwa hivyo. Sasa tuko tukingoja tu kile ambacho kinajiri na vile vile kile ambacho kinaendelea kutoka katika maeneo. Sasa nikurusheni studio, baadaye tutakuwa tunarudi na mashindano zaidi. Asante sana.
Please, I request the team leaders, if you know that you are in position 1, 2, 3, please step forward. We have Kenya, youth team Kenya. Kenya, are we there? Kenya youth team. Kenya youth team, please forward, we are expecting you. Coach Juma, please bring your team. Rwanda youth team. Rwanda youth team, please. And Burundi winners, Burundi youth, followed by Ethiopia junior. Ethiopia, please come forward. Uganda junior, please come forward. And Rwanda junior. Let's move fast. Tafadhali tufanye kwa haraka, tupate kuondoka. Junior teams, please move forward. Junior teams, we start with Ethiopia. Ethiopia, please move. Uganda, please join us there. Uganda, please join us. Rwanda, junior. Also to be ready, all the coaches who attended the lectures, please, let's be ready. Okay. This place is for juniors. The youth team, we should be on the other side. No, this is just for a word. I'm starting the question following this order. These are just medalists. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, I request Coach Zoltan to be ready to award the coaches who attended the coaching course. They will receive certificates. They will receive coaching boards. So please, I read the names. We read the names. I read the names. Please, coaches, we start with Arbel Rubuge Buge. If your name is like that, please. Abel. Mpatie Zoltan. Mpatie Abel. Thank you. Beba kuja na certificate huko. Horibats ni Mubona. Horibats ni Mubona. Let's make it fast. Horibats. Mpatie Zoltan. Waber Ahmed Anale. Ahmed Waber. Mieke Mohamed Mieke. Gamil Mohamed Saha. Gamil Mohamed Saha. Hassan Isman Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman Hassan Isman. Abdo Khalid. Abdo Khalid. Abdo Khalid. Raid Ahmed. Raid Ahmed. Abek Zacharias. Abek Zacharias. Abek Zacharias. Mulugeta Girma. Mulugeta Girma. Demis Sinta Yehu. Dennis Sinta Yehu. Demis. Okay. Gerald Juma. Nixon Oyaro. Nixon Oyaro. Brian Matthews. Theodosia Sangoro. Andrew Owino. Patrick Semowemba. Patrick Semowemba. Patrick and Aziz Yahub. Mpatie mbili. Mpatie hiyo. It's okay. Aziz Yahub. Congo Ibrahim. Congo Ibrahim. Obur Jimmy. Frank Wayne Semuju. Frank Onen Christopher Owor. Mayanja Willie. Aprodise Sinya Simbiyingaya. Hey. Okay, that's it. Pascal Twisenge. Pascal Twisenge. Sylvestra Muda Arashihema. Franco Sebit Marcelo. Franco Marcelo. Mamoun Bashir Mohamed. Noel Zakaria Wani. Alor Deng Ko. Banda Victor. Banda Victor. All the coaches, your lecturer requests for a photo with him. Meanwhile, the referees of the championship, I call Madam Samoa to present the certificates and the medals. Referees, let's be ready. Referees, Esam Khalifa. Esam Khalifa. The next certificate. Pure come now. Oh, the photograph has gone away again. Second, we have Florence Gemeo. Florence Abalo Fole Elias. Abalo Cedric Charis, Cedric, Ludovic, Ziho, Yona, Vladimir, Thomas, Thomas is a Hag Lokhan, Kinzo Shabel, Kinzo and lastly we have Mansuru Ede Frawi, Mansuru. Referees, we go for a photo session after this. Thank you very much, Madam Sumaya. Please, Georgie Ondeko. The delegates, I'll request Kanowasomi. Kanali. George Ondeko, Madam Somaya Kanwasomi, you do for us the presentation. These are the delegates that have run this championship. Is that Nanan? This Madam Somane from Tunisia. I will request Zoltan balls, balls. Atinapenda balls kwanza. Balls. Victor Banda, President Zone 6, CAB representative, please, with the help of Zoltan, IHF representative, we award the countries the balls. These are development aids. I'll call upon Rwanda, team leader Rwanda. Just wait, he's coming. Rwanda, followed by Uganda. Team leader Rwanda, please receive. This is for your team, for your country. Thank you. Okay. Uganda team leader, followed by Burundi, team leader Burundi, okay, team leader Ethiopia, okay, team leader Burundi, please, no, excuse me, receive them from here. We need a proof. Then we have Djibouti, team leader Djibouti. Team leader Djibouti. Team leader South Sudan. Huh? Yeah, they can go. Team leader South Sudan. Djibouti, South Sudan. Usimpatie Purity. Excuse me, South Sudan. Coach, receive it from here. Complex, hiyo kubwa. Okay, thank you very much, IHF Cab. I now request our Secretary General, Mr. Gikaria, and I call upon our hosts of the complex to receive a small appreciation from the Federation for the gesture for allowing us to use this facility. Thank you very much. Katibu, Karibu, Katibu, Secretary General. Thank you very much. Asante. I call upon our President, FK Paul, to give a special award first to the IHF representative, Zoltan Makzinka. Please, Burundi, allow us to finish. Thank you. I call upon CAB representative, Mr. Victor Banda, who is also the president of Zambia Handball Federation and the treasurer of the National Olympic Committee of Zambia. Thank you. Asante. Okay, we now go to the team's awards. We have a special award. We are giving it to the most promising team, the team that brought the youngest players in the championship, the team that we need to appreciate. They have shown us the way to go, and that team is none other than South Sudan. I call upon the president of Kenya Handball Federation. This is his trophy. Thank you very much for the good work, South Sudan. Thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we now go to the teams of the championship. Straight away, I request the captain, you'll receive a trophy and all the medals together. Then after that, you distribute to your team members. In the youth category, we start with the second runners-up. The second runners-up are none other than Kenya. I request President of Djibouti to award to the second runners-up, Kenya. The President of Djibouti is also the Secretary of Zone 5. Please, Captain, step forward to receive your awards. Captain. Captain. Okay, makofi kwa. Thank you. First runners-up. First runners-up, we have tunaanza na youth. Youth zile za mwisho. Youth runners-up, youth. I request IHF representative Zoltan to award the trophies to Rwanda. Rwanda. Zoltan. And the winners, IHF trophy, youth category 2022, we have second runners-up, Ethiopia. I'll call upon my Secretary General. My Secretary General, please, you present to Ethiopia who are the second runners-up. Thank you, thank you. Okay, then first runners-up, Uganda, come for your trophy. Uganda, I request my president, FK Paul. FK Paul. Uganda, please come receive. Uganda captain, step forward. Thank you. Please, President, don't go. FK. FK. Okay, winners. Winners. Junior IHF Trophy 2022. We have Rwanda. No, yeah, they're playing. They're playing after this. Rwanda. Rwanda, please. Captain, come forward. You receive the trophy from CAB representative. Congratulations, congratulations. Okay, okay. Okay. Studio, we have the national anthems ready. National anthem for Burundi. Please, ladies and gentlemen, please, Burundi, 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 we are playing your national anthem. Burundi, Burundi, please. Burundi, we are playing your national anthem. No, we want to play the national. Burundi, we are playing a national anthem. Because of the gold medal, we are playing a national anthem now. We are playing a national anthem. Please, studio, let's all stand up.
This is Rwanda. This is Rwanda.
Burundi national anthem. Okay.
wa Muthingi TV uguo ragethie na mbere kuona uko ni kiaro-ini kia Ulinzi Sports Complex haria tukiri guku ni undu wa itu kana hihi ni undu wa ngaragano cia IHF iria ciragethie na mbere o uria urakiona ni uria citikana hihi ni timu ngurani ciragikorwo ikinea kana hihi iragikorwo ikiheo trophy ciao kana iragikorwo ikiheo iheo ciao itimu iria ciragikorwo kana mothe kuma na betika 4 kuma na betika guceria namba 3. Muthingi TV ogo ragethie na mbere kuona anengara kana hihi ni betika iria ciakorwo cigithirirekire muthenya wa umuthi arengaraga no cia IHF kana nicio turataga International Handball Federation ana kwa ihinda riri ogo rakiona thutha wakwa ni team kana hihi ni team cia mabururi ngurani iria ikorwo ikiheo kana hihi iria ikorwo ikiheo itu iheo ngurani aria maikorwo magishinda kana hihi agaragano iria ciakorwo cigithirirekire muthenya wa umuthi iria ciambirie muthenya wa Tuesday na umuthi kuri muthenya wa Saturday niguo agaragano kana hihi niguo final ciakorwo kana ciakorwo igikika na muthi maremara kwa Muthingi TV ogutagwo ndaikorwo ngigikwira ngaragano cia muthenya wa ira cirari cia muthenya wa kana hihi irari cia semi finals na ngaragano iria ciakorwo ikihanika muthi cianika ngaragano 4 ciahanika ngaragano cia mbere igire ciuma cia under 18 kana hihi aria makirithi wa miaka 18 ari ngaragano ya kana hihi ya gucaria mo namba 3 nayo ningi kana ngaragano iria ciakorwo ikihanika ane ngaragano cia under 20s cia gucaria namba 3 na cia gucaria namba 1 kana hihi finali na muthimuriri wa kwa Muthingi kana hihi murori wa kwa Muthingi TV agurikania ororenge team ya Kenya kana ikerekainiria under 18 kana imwana iria cirithi wa miaka 18 ane ciahota kwihotanira kana hihi ane mahota kwihotanira bronze kana ini mayo kana namba 3 namba igiri ya ikorwo ikiyone team ya Ethiopia na namba 1 ya ikorwo ikiyone team ya Burundi au ni makana hihi Uguo niguo ngaragano cia under 18 cia ikorwo igithirika muthenya wa umothe nayo hihi ngaragano cia under 20 ngaragano kana hihi ngaragano iri kiuma ndito muno ne gatagati ga team ya Rwanda na team ya Uganda na ria team kana hihi team ya Rwanda yakihota gukorwo ikamia team ya Uganda na kamaje katuka nini kana hihi na maji nini tu hanini ana maikorwo makihotanira ngaragano cia under 20 cia Africa Zone 5 IHF trophy na ngaragano icio ingi cigo ikorwo cigithie bururi-ini wa Guinea gwacirane zone 6 cio igwikorwo hihi igithie ikereka riu ringi na timu ya Kenya guririkania oro ringi ni twaikoruo kana hihi betikaine kana hihi ikereka-ini ria under 20 ani twaikoruo tukirutwo ngaragano ici ni bururi wa kana hihi ni bururi wa Ethiopia ni maikoruo magitwanura kana hihi twaikoruo tukihana tusikuingira ikereka-ini ria semi finals no ona gutario uguo ni twaikoruo tugifuta maithori kana hihi ani twaikoruo tugika wega ngaragano-ini cia under 18 kuona ati ani twaikoruo tukihotanira bronze kana ni twaikoruo atuyoka namba ithatu mwirori wakwa togo ndaikoretwo ndakwira ngaragano ici cia IHF cia korwo cikirehe andu kana hihi ane cia korwo cikirehe amabururi ngurani kuma kana hihi gitaro-ini kia Africa no tagurona thutha wakwa kana hihi uguo raikorwo kiona andu maundu maria maragithie na mbere guku ane team cigokoragwo cigitugwo kana hihi ane team cigokoragwo igitugwo nigetha tondu wa aria maikorwo magikana hihi aria maikorwo magikama kana hihi aria maikorwo magika wega na gatika na team ya South Sudan ona gutuika ni mahurirwo ngaragano-ini ciao ciothe ane maikorwo magitugwo ta promising team kuona ati ndio marokete na imwana cirene miaka ya the muno uguo ni makorwo magitugwo as a promising team no uguo naguo gwagikorwo gugikara burikania rege mabũrũri maria maraikoretwo magikinyia bũrũri-inĩ ũyũ kana hihi mabũrũri maria maraikorirwo makinyita kana makinyita itemi ngaragano ici kwa na timu ya Kenya kurare na Uganda kurare na Rwanda kurare na South Sudan kurare na Djibouti kurare na Ethiopia na kurare na Burundi timu ya Somalia ni agire gukorwo iginyita itemi ngaragano-inĩ ici no anga kurage tuika ati thirikana hihi passport ciao kana visa ciao ciraikorwo cikirehe thina no uguo niguo kurage tuikire ati timu ya Somalia ndinaikorwo ikinyita itemi ngaragano ici na tugithie na mbere umothe muthenya wa Saturday niho ngaragano itu ya kana hihi niho ngaragano ya finals ya ikorwo ikihanikira muthenya wa umothe na kiuma kiaro-ini giki kia Ulinzi Sports Complex na rego ngaragano iria ciragithakagirwo muno ane ngaragano ciaria makire wa miaka 20 na cio hihi iria ikoragwo ikihanikira mwena wa Nyayo ane iria ciraikoragwo cia andu kana hihi imwana cia miaka 18 ona gutaria uguo ngaragano cia inya cia mwisho acia ikorwo igithakirwo guku kiharo-ini kia Ulinzi Sports Complex na muthenya wa umothe ane kuma hihi na maundu maingi maikorwo magithie na mbere na timu ya Kenya undu mwe ndai kana hihi ngeriria horo wa mucii tondu mundu muthakira kwa no atugagwo undu mwe ndai korwo kana hihi adakorwo ngiona kana githamo horo na timu ya Kenya ngaragano ici citinakorwo kana hihi bururi wa Kenya ndu nagikorwo ugika uria andu kana hihi uria raikoretwo expect kana hihi uria ratanyete gukorwo gikwo kuona ati ngaragano cia miaka kana hihi ngaragano cia aria mari gifao ane to expectaga muno gukorwo makihota no ngaragano ya mbere team Kenya ni magikorwo makihotwo ni team ya Burundi tugicoka tugititira na team kana hihi ngaragano ya kere tugicoka tukihotana no na gutarie uguo imwana cia miaka 18 otonde ndaikorwo ndakwira imwana cia miaka 18 ni cia ikorwo cigituruta thoni kuona ati ona gikorwo tutinaikorwo tukihotana kana hihi tutinaikorwo tukihotana ngaragano icio ciothe ona gikorwo tutinakorwo tukihotana ngaragano icio ciothe ane twaikorwo hihi atugikorwo tukishinda kana namba ithatu na nie murari wakwa Muthingi TV gucokeria ngatho ni we wati wa kana hihi wambirie na ithu na warekia na ithu riu gutware mwena wa Githwairi kuri mundu gwetwo Chacha nigetha nake agikorwo agitwira hihi maundu maria agikorwo agithoma kana hihi maundu maria agikorwo akiona ngaragano icio kuma ria ciambirie muthenya wa Tuesday nginya riu twagikorwo tukirirekeria Chacha easy games ilianza Tuesday na zimeishia leo. Sijui kwa maoni yako unaona ama unahisi vipi, ni timu gani imeimprove ama ni timu gani imekufurahisha ama kwa ufupi tu ni timu gani imekuwa ikifanya vizuri?
Uhuru wako.
Nimegafio.
Hapo nimekoma, lakini michuano imekuwa mizuri. Kwa mara ya kwanza nikihudhuria mashindano ya handball nimejifunza mengi. Timu ya Rwanda imecheza vizuri sana. Tukizungumza hapa awali, kumbuka kwamba Rwanda walikuwa wanafanya mazoezi yao baada ya mechi kuisha. Nikikuuliza, Rwanda walikuwa nabaki nyuma. Hivyo basi imekuwa ni mashindano ambayo imekuwa mazuri zaidi. Hivyo Rwanda kwa wamecheza mchezo mzuri, Uganda wamecheza mchezo mzuri na vile vile Ethiopia.
Na ukiangalia hii kwa timu ya Kenya, Kwa under 20 tulifungua vibaya, tulishindwa na timu ya Burundi, na alafu siku ya pili tukafanya vizuri, but siku ya tatu pia tukafanya vibaya. Kwa maoni yako, unadhani timu Kenya ilikuwa inafaa kuchange vipi, ama ni tactics gani timu Kenya haikutumia ndio tuweze kuwa tukishinda?
Chini umri wa miaka 20 nilikuwa naongea na coach akaniambia atatengeneza attacking yao ama mashambulizi yao ikuwe ya makali, na vile vile ulinzi yani defense iwe ngumu kidogo, na vijana pia wajituma, manake kidogo kulikuwa na unyonge. Hivyo basi attacking na defense ikuwe kitu strong zaidi.
Na kwa timu ya Rwanda katika mechi ya Rwanda na Uganda ilikuwa mechi kubwa na ilikuwa mechi ngumu. Unahisi vipi ni nini Uganda wakufanya, kwa sababu ukiangalia mechi zao zote wamekuwa wakifanya poa, lakini dakika mwisho wameflop? Nini imehappen?
Rwanda unajua ni reigning champion, walipiga Uganda mwaka 2018, basi walikuwa na juno akifanya. Ukiangalia attacking ya Rwanda na Uganda in the same, so coach utilize zote, alafu pia Uganda wakapata kadi nyekundu. Hivyo basi coach utilize kadi nyekundu na kufanya watoe ubingwa wa 37 kwa 30. Hivyo basi Uganda maintain sana, Rwanda maintain sana attacking yao.
Una feeling ya kwamba Rwanda walikuwa wamecheza ama under 18 walikuwa wamecheza hapo awali wakashindwa? Una feeling ya kwamba seniors wamekuja na ile ubaya ya lazima tu revenge hiyo, lazima tu revenge kikombe?
Wamboi, mazungumzo hapa awali nilikuwa nafanya mazungumzo ama mahojiano na kocha wa under 18. Imekuwa amesema kwamba tunakuja kulipisa kisasi, lakini ndivyo mambo yalivyo. Lakini naomba kama muda unaisha nitakuwa naongea na mkurugenzi mkuu wa runinga ya Look Up, alafu tunaanza kusema zaidi. Asante sana Wamboi.
Nimeshukuru sana.
Naam, asante sana. Nitakuwa nikimuhusisha mkurugenzi mkuu ama yule manager mkuu wa runinga ya Look Up, bwana mkubwa zaidi. Boss, karibu sana. Mashindano ya leo imekuwa aje?
Mashindano ya leo imekuwa ngumu, na imekuwa pia wiki ambayo ni ndefu, lakini pia ni ya kuridhisha. Kwa sababu naweza kusema tumefanya historia kama kampuni na kama pia channel, both Mudingi na Look Up TV. Na kwa sababu huu ni mchezo ambao hauko umepatiwa ile kipaumbele sana. Lakini hapa Look Up TV na Mudingi tunasema sisi hatubagui. Ulianza kama mzaha, lakini sasa at least imeanza kukua ni kama ile ndio njia na mtazamo ambao tuko nao kama kampuni, kwamba hakuna mchezo ambao sisi wenyewe kama kampuni tutabagua, na tuko pale kwenda hadi katika grassroots kwenda kusupport hizi michezo. Kwa sababu lengo langu kama mkuu wa kitengo ni kwamba hata tutengeneze one star tu mmoja atokee kwa hii ambacho michezo ambao haijapatiwa kipaumbele. Yes.
Kwa bila shaka tuendelee zaidi. Lengo la Look Up mzima pamoja na Mudingi kwenye michezo, tutaona tena tukiendelea kupatia kipaumbele michezo mingine kana na handball?
Nina furaha sana kusema kwamba hii ni mbegu ambayo tumeipanda, na mbegu hii imetokeza, inatuonesha na imetuelekeza kwamba kuna ile gap ambayo imebaki kwa hii michezo. Na nataka kuhakikishia pia watazamaji wetu, sio mara ya mwisho utakuwa unaona michezo kama hii. Huu ni mwanzo tu. Na pia kuanzia Monday kuna World Cup ambayo inakuja, na tunawaandalia summaries ama reviews za michezo ya World Cup. Kwa hivyo kila wiki tutakuwa tumeweka kando 4 hours ya michezo tu. Kuna safu ya michezo every Saturday, kuna Thursday night sports every Thursday, na kuna pia Monday night sports every Monday. So ukiangalia ni kama tumepatia kipaumbele michezo, na hasa michezo ya grassroots. Yes. Vitongojini.
Kwa kiduchu. Tuambie tu kwa kiduchu, maana yake uende msemaji hapa. Kuna mchezo ambao labda runinga Look Up itakuwa inaangaza kama huku kupatia chance. Tutarajia ni mwaka kabla mwaka kuisha, ama nini ilikuwa
kabla mwaka uishe? Tumepata pia invite ya kufanya military games hapa tulipo ya kijeshi. Sasa huu pia ni uhusiano bora pia kwa jeshi kulink na sisi na pia kulink na wananchi. Kwa hivyo hii ni facility ambayo pia wanajeshi wamefungua ambao pia tutakuja kufanya live michezo yao ambayo inakuja kutoka tarehe 7 hadi I think tarehe 15, na pia sisi wenyewe tutajimwaya kuja kufanya hiyo live. Yes.
Bila shaka asante sana.
Yes.
Na tukimalizia, hakuna chombo cha habari hapa nchini Kenya kwa hakika ambacho kinapenda mchezo kama hii. Wengine kwa mudharau. Je, hii handball imeleta ufahari gani kwa kampuni nzima ya KM?
Ufahari ambao tumeona kwamba kama nilivyosema hapo awali ni kwamba tumefanya historia, kwamba hata hii handball haijawahi kupewa kipaumbele kama vile KM Lookup Media imefanya, na pia tunahakikishia kwamba wachezaji na pale wana ile federation ya local ya handball kwamba huu uhusiano huu sio mwanzo na wala sio mwisho, ni mwanzo tu na wala sio mwisho. Ni kitu ambacho tunataka kuendeleza na kuikuza huu mchezo. Ndio wakati mmoja kuna kijana tu atajitokeza aseme kweli mlinifanya star kutokana na hii kutuangazia. Yes.
Swala la kizushi tu.
Naam.
Swala la kizushi tu kwa haraka.
Yes.
Bila shaka umekuwa meneja mkuu, umesaidia sana kukuza talanta. Kwa sasa mchezo hapa nchini Kenya unaona ikielekea wapi kuhusiana na wewe mwenyewe?
Mimi mawazo yangu na azimio langu ni tuwe the Africa Channel of Choice, grassroots ya kuonesha michezo ya vitongojini Afrika nzima, kwamba wa European na America wakitaka anything content ya Africa, grassroots Africa, kampuni wataikimbilia ni KM Lookup.
Safi kabisa.
Asante sana.
Labda kwa haraka, michuano hii ni ya kimataifa ya handball.
Yes.
Kuna uwezekano huenda tukasafiri nchi za nje kupeperusha matangazo haya?
Kwa hakika. Hilo ni langu na hilo ndio azimio langu. Kuanzia hii ni safari tu tumeanza. Na safari yote inaanza kwa hatua hatua. Na hiyo hatua ya kwanza
Waswahili wanasema ukiona gazeti limechanwa, jua limesomwa.
Ndio hii limesomwa.
Mwanzo.
Ndio hii.
Asante sana.
Nashukuru sana.
Meneja mkuu wa kampuni.
Asante sana.
Naomba pia kumuhusisha ambaye pia amesimamia kwenye matangazo haya. Bila shaka asante sana kutupatia fursa ya kupeperusha matangazo haya kwa kijumla. Unatumia lugha yoyote ya Kizungu. Mashindano yamekuwa
kwa kweli mashindano yamefana sana. Ukiona idadi ya teams ingawaji Somalia hawakuweza fika, but matarajio yetu yametimia. Tumepata jumla ya teams inchi 7 tukijumuisha na Kenya. Waamuzi karibu wote walifika. Kwa kweli imekuwa nzuri. Na ningependa sana kwanza kushukuru Lookup TV na Mudhingi TV kwa kazi ambayo wamefanya. Wamepeperusha mechi hizi ambazo zimekuwa hapa moja kwa moja kwa ulimwengu. Wametumia ile site ya International Handball Federation, na wana familia ya handball ulimwenguni wameweza kufuata mashindano haya. Asanteni sana.
Labda unaweza kuelezea wale ambao waelewi lugha ya Kiswahili, maana yake pia tumepeperusha kwa lugha ya kuna wanatazama kwa lugha ya Kimombo, uwezo kueleza zaidi mwaka mashindano imekuwa aje kutoka mwaka 2018, wala tubadilishe lugha. This year's competition, 2022 competition, other than 2018, what some of the things that made the difference in this year's handball competition?
What has really happened is that we have taken to the next level. I remember the last championship was in Zanzibar, and there's no comparison with what we've had here. The quality of the players, the fields, the venue. I really want to thank the CDF, that is the Chief Defence Force boss. He has done us great proud. I would want to thank also the Lookup TV and Mudhingi TV. They've made sure that the handball followers worldwide were able to know what is happening in Nairobi, Kenya for the last 6 days. And I would say that has been marvelous. This is the first time we are having IHF trophy, the zonal competition of this kind of a level.
Maybe we'll see more handball, international handball coming in. Will you see more partnership between the federation and Lookup TV to air out this kind of games?
Well, first of all, I want to congratulate the new CS for Sports, Ababu Namwamba. He said that he's going to work with us, be with us, and with that kind of promise I believe we are going to see more and more of international handball, and the partnership between us and the Look Up TV and Mudingi TV, we are going to formalize it in a few days, and from there we are going to be one. Thank you.
Thank you, and welcome the Look Up family. And we'd love to travel to you internationally.
Very soon we are going to hit the skies.
Thank you so much. Na mko bila shaka mmekuwa manager, mko na vile vile maafisa wakuu wa mashindano ya handball ya kimataifa. Bila shaka imekuwa ni matangazo ambayo tumekuletea kuanzia siku ya Jumanne hadi siku ya leo. Imekuwa ni matangazo ambayo kwa hakika imekuwa ya kufana zaidi. Kwa wale wameweza kushirikisha mashindano haya, watangazaji wenza akina Marion wakageni na vile vile Oscar na vile vile Crispin ambaye pia amekuwa mshalishaji wa makala haya. Wakereketo wote tunasema ni asante sana. Nitakuwa nampisha mwenzangu sasa ambaye ni Wamboi, nitakuwa nampisha zaidi kwanza kutupatia zaidi na vile vile picha za moja kwa moja tutakuwa na wachezaji wa Kenya. Wamboi, imekuwa aje kwako kwa mara ya kwanza ukipiga shughuli kama hii?
Wacha niseme it has been challenging. One, it's been challenging, but it has been exciting. Bali watu wanafaa wapende handball. It is a very very exciting game. Very.
Wewe ni mwanahabari mchanga kutoka shule juzi ukakuja hapa lakini kwa kijumla umejifunza nini?
Kitu moja nimejifunza ni eti kuna emotions kwa game. Hiyo ni kitu moja nimenotice na players. Nimenotice wakishindwa ni kama hawajichezei wenyewe, wanachezea ni kama wamechukua kwa roho, tunachezea country. Kitu moja nimenotice kuna hiyo emotion. Kitu kingine nimenotice vijana wadogo wanajituma. Huko nje vijana wanajituma. Ukiangalia kama South Sudan, in as much as wamekuwa awarded kama the most promising team because apparently wao walikuwa na watoto wadogo sana. Nimeona watu kila mtu anataka kuchangamkia hiyo game. Yes.
Asante sana, takuwa na kwa sasa waage watazamaji. Sorry kusema watangazaji tumezoea, lakini watazamaji wa Look Up, kazi kwako na utukumwega.
Na wetagwa muroreri wakwa wa Muthingi TV otagwo wa ikorwo kiona yuma kana hihi makiuma mabura mako makana hihi mabura mako hena iheo acha IHF noguo niguo maundu magikara na ni ngucokeria ngatho kumne kunyitanira na ithwe akuma muthenya wa Tuesday ginya thaa ici na kuma oroshine ginya rethera cihanda wega thaa ici njuge Ngai wa muoyo akwende akwigia na kurathime ni tucemanie muthenya wa Friday ane kana hihi ni gibindi kia meta getika wa boy wa jao kana wanyendari ukajita thaa sports girl ni gwandithirio tuko mwega na ngwire Ngai wa muoyo ri akurathime.